What's up, guys? Coon Gaming OT here today. Fail. Alright, what's up, guys? This is Coon Gaming OT. Sorry for the fail. Today, I'm on Dead Island, not Riders Campaign, but just a normal one. Now, while I have a machete, it's really special today, because we'll be hunting for a secret weapon and a secret character. Or enemy, as you can say it. Got a shock machete, and we're gonna kill him with a few grenades. Not these incendiary grenades. Now, I have a high voltage machete, and why a machete? Because we're about to kill some fucking machete killing ass. And yes, it is Jason Voorhees. He's up in that shit right there. Let's fucking kill these guys. Then we can hit the main attraction. Let's just kill these. Wham! We're not going to be killing Jason with guns. Just simply getting rid of all the zombies. You can kind of tell this is Jason's hideout because of the little body statues and shit. His creepy ass laughter. Let me just drop that one plank real quick. He doesn't really look menacing, but still. I have subtitles on so you can actually hear him just shouting. So let's get the fuck up in this bitch like, oh shit. Oh shit! Come on, Jason. You got nothing. He's gonna get up here, make his ass fall down here. Come on. Come on. Get over to the actual arena. Come on, you bitch. Fall. Yes. Heal up. I'm gonna get his ass. Alright, Jason, let's go. Fury time, bitch. Yeah. Has 0 XP for that. Jason has a lot of fucking health. Don't die. No. Fucking go. Bitch. Machete versus machete, bitch. I wish my character, Fuck you! No. I want to heal. He's weak. He is vulnerable. He is nothing. Gonna die. Yes! I've decapitated his head. Oh, Jason face reveal. H.O. Delirious' father face reveal. He's kind of, decapitate his arm. Oh, what the fuck? He has 2 arms. Apparently 2 more legs. Why does he have duplicate body parts? The fuck? He has a weak machete. I'll be taking that. My squad will be taking a weak machete. Just roll with it. Now let's get that secret fucking weapon. Yeah. Now what's kind of weird about Jason, or the spot as you can put it, he kind of multiply spawns without you knowing. What the fuck is this? Personal ID? Number 69. As you can hear him outside right now. Repair this and this. Shut up, Jason. This is it. I'm guessing this is Jason's family. Some skulls, candles. A severed head. And a fucking chainsaw. Let's take that shit. Hell yeah. Take this. Now we're gonna kill Jason again with the chainsaw. Hey Jason. Are you ready? Hey buddy. Let's go! Oh. I legit killed him? That wasn't really much of a challenge at all. Now that I have your fucking chainsaw of mass fucking destruction, teabagging Jason. That's what you get for killing innocent people. Yeah. Well, he did drown. Because kids pick on him, so, I think I just murdered someone. That didn't really... I don't know what I did. I killed... wait. Okay, I'm getting mind-fucked by the movie now. Shit. Well, goodbye, Jason. Just to be sure, I might... What's up? Motherfucker. Yeah, keep laughing. You're not gonna be laughing anymore once this is shoved down your fucking throat. Die! That's right. That's right, Jason. At first I didn't think Jason took any of that damage because it was fire. Right, Jason. Kick your ass 3 fucking times. Bitch. Haul ass. Kapuya. Cremating your fucking body. So I killed Jason 3 times. Fuck you. Fuck your machete. So we have gotten the chainsaw. I killed him once with the machete, twice with the chainsaw, and 3 times with the incendiary grenade. Well guys, I guess that was a triple threat treat. So yeah. Well, I think I killed a celebrity. Anyway guys, if you want to see more Dead Island, comment down below, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Coon is out. Peace.